Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Benito and this is tutorial number 9. In this tutorial I'll show you how to plot a graph using MATLAB AppDesigner. So let's open up MATLAB AppDesigner, and to start off we'll drag in a axis and we will make this bigger by dragging from the corner. Slightly more bigger. Let's take up the space. We'll drop a button and we'll rename this to plot. So every time we click on this plot, it should plot the graph for us. So we'll click on the graph and change the title to y equals sine x. So we'll try and plot the graph of y equals sine x. So in the later versions of MATLAB, you should be able to double click on the title and then you should be able to change it directly from there. But because this is a slightly older version, you can only change it here. Okay, so to plot the graph, we have to create a callback on the button because we want to plot the graph when you click on the button. So right click, callbacks, and then add a callback. Here what we will say is we'll say x equals 0 in steps of 0.01 all the way up to, let's say we want to go up to 360, so we should get one sine wave, one peak and one trough. So we'll do 360 divided by 180 times pi. So we're just changing this to radians basically. And then we'll say y equals simply sine x. And what we have to now do to plot the graph is type plot, and then we have to define the first thing you have to define is what axis do you want to use. So this is app.ui axis, so we will say we want the graph to be plotted in UI axis. Okay, and we'll say we want to plot y. So you can add additional stuff like what color do you want it, do you want it as a dash, and different things like that. So for this one we'll just keep it simple and we'll say we just want to plot y. So let's try and plot this. Okay, so if we click plot, there you go. So you get the sine wave. So you get the peak and the trough. So this is this is sine wave from 0 to 360. Now we can change the appearance of the UI figure by simply clicking on this, and we can add a grid. We can change the background color, for example, make it black if you like, and we'll just keep it white for now. And you can change the font, and you can also change the X and Y label from here. So let's try this again. So you can see that when you open up the app, it doesn't plot the graph straight away. Now you have to click on the plot button to plot it. So let's say if you want to see the sine wave as soon as you open the app, even before you click on plot. So we have to do something slightly different. We have to define a startup function. So a startup function is a function that's run when you open or run the app. So this is what I'll be teaching you in the next tutorial, how to write a startup function so you will display something or something happens as soon as you open the app. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one.